Okay, Yard Smash, the YardClassChallenge airplane on some master scoop props this time, and I'm going to try FPV. Little 1S 25 milliwatt camera. Oh, I haven't flown FPV in a while. This should be interesting. Hey, it's Andre, and well, that's Yard Smash. Having some fun, flying some FPV. It's a little crazy with all the glare, but what a ride, what a hoot. My heart rate is going. More to come from this airplane. Can't wait to actually get it out in some open space and just really tear through. Maybe try it on 3S. Hope you enjoyed.